In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively access and navigate your Wayfair seller dashboard. This will help you manage your product listings efficiently, ensuring they make a great impression on potential buyers. Now, once you've logged into your Wayfair seller account, the next step is to access your seller dashboard. This dashboard is your central hub for managing all things related to your products, orders, and overall business performance on Wayfair. It's important to familiarize yourself with this area as it's packed with useful tools and information to help you make the most of your selling experience. Now, our focus today is on managing your product listings. The first thing you'll want to do is locate the product sheet or the data entry section. This is where you'll input all the product details necessary for your listings. Think of it as the foundation of your product's online presence. Getting it right is crucial. You might find this section under a tab or a drop-down menu, often labeled something intuitive like Manage Products or Product Listings. Give yourself a moment to explore so you know exactly how to get back here in the future. Once you've located this section, it's time to start filling in the required fields. These fields include essential details such as product dimensions, materials, and descriptions. It's vital to provide comprehensive and accurate information as this will help customers make informed purchasing decisions. When entering product dimensions, be precise and use the correct units of measurement. For materials, try to use language that resonates with your target audience, focusing on terms they're likely to search for. And when it comes to descriptions, aim for clarity and appeal. Highlight the unique features and benefits of your product to make it stand out. Next, let's talk about visual appeal, which is incredibly important in online selling. You'll want to upload images and other supporting documents as needed. Good quality images can make a huge difference in attracting potential customers, so make sure your photos are clear, well lit, and from multiple angles if possible. These images should accurately represent your product, conveying its color, size, and texture. If you have any additional documents that offer more detail or insights about your product, such as a user manual or a pattern breakdown, upload them as well. After all this information has been entered, it's crucial to review everything for accuracy before hitting that submit button. Double check each field, ensure all images are uploaded correctly, and make sure your descriptions are free of errors. This final review step is often overlooked but can prevent potential headaches caused by misinformation or typos. Once confident that everything is correct, go ahead and submit your product sheet. With these steps, you'll have a well-organized, visually appealing product listing poised to capture the attention of